Come on, Bringy. Okay, we're gonna go see some windy roads. Here we go. Here we go. I probably got lipstick on my teeth. Welcome to Nature's Holly, and we're gonna go for a drive on some sketchy roads. Here we go. All right. See what happens. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you know how cold it is with a tank top on out here? It's so cold. Look at this. Look, look. Where does it go? Where does it go? It's raining out and some snow. We gotta go on an adventure. Okay. This is pretty steep. Like it goes up like that. Like it's steep. Okay, hold on. I made it! You can't tell how steep it is, but it literally goes like right back. It's something. It is something. Okay, be lots of more of this when it gets warmer out. I'm freezing. I'm going back. We gotta go back down the ladder. Say hello to St. John's. Hello, St. John's. Oh shit, there's a car coming. There's a car coming and I'm stuck on the ladder and there's a car coming. Can they get through? Seriously, I put myself in the worst situations. In the worst situations. Okay, they got through. Okay, we're good. Okay.